Hello, Evelyn Daveiga again, coming at you. We are making beef cube steak in the oven today. What I've done today is gotten everything prepared so that'll make it easier for you. It's a very simple recipe. Anybody can do this. So I hope you like the video. Well, let's go. We've got about 6 pieces of beef cube steak. You can find that in your meat aisle, any grocery store. What I've done is lined up the bottom of the pan with a little bit of oil or olive oil if you're trying to be a little bit healthy. What I've also done is go ahead and place the meat in the baking dish. And what I've done ahead of time is 1 medium-sized onion cut into circles, as you see here. And also these are 2 little tomatoes which I've cut up in little pieces, and 3 stalks of celery. For my seasoning for my steak, what you see on top of here is we've got seasoned salt, a sprinkle, less than a teaspoon. I do everything by sprinkle, so I apologize if I don't have the correct measurement. We've got some garlic powder and some onion powder, some black powder, a little bit of Tabasco sauce, very little because it's very spicy. We've also have our red wine vinegar, any brand is fine. And in the Hispanic or in the national aisle of grocery stores, you can find that Goya seasoning, which is really excellent for seasoning, has some excellent seasoning power. You also have half a cup of hot water in a cup, which will be going on there also. What we also have is Hunt's pasta sauce. Basically, we'll be using about half of the can. I find that the garlic herb is pretty good, or the mushroom, or any kind that you like, but the garlic herb and the mushroom taste really good. And what we also have is some Italian seasoning. So I'm going to start the process here. What I'm doing is I am grabbing the onions, and we're pretty much going to layer the onions on top of the beef here, as you see here. So you just grab them, try to open them up a little bit, and just go ahead and place those on top of your steak. Once you've done that, and go ahead and grab your celery sticks that you've already cut up. Go ahead and pour that on top of there, just like this. If you like green peppers in your food, that would be something else. I just didn't have any green peppers today to put on there, but that's something else you can put on. 1 green pepper, half a green pepper actually, do that. Now we have our tomatoes, which we will place on top of here. Okay, as we go here. Hope you're having an excellent day today. It is beautiful out here in Virginia. We've got 80-degree weather, and this is awesome because you don't have to stand on top of a stove and wait for it to cook. You do all of this, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit more of our seasoning. So we've got our seasoned salt. We've got a little bit more of our, let's see here, garlic powder.